What a shame and disgrace, eh? Jamaican people, you should have shame on yourself. Over little foul? Crazy. Anyway, peeps, on to better things. After 8 years of not seeing each other, it was a beautiful reunion between Bounty Killer and Mavado. I did say on to better things, right? Usain Bolt named Guinness World Record icon. Also, special guest this week, Wasp. All this and more on Sunday Night Lyme this Sunday at 8 p.m. on our YouTube channel, Expressions JA. Or if you want to come sit with us and have a drink and just chill, we're going to be at Willie's Thatch Roof, 115A Mullines Road. Alright, so come check us out. Join us.